Ami Annyeong! Let's check out the In the Soop pop-up at Utama Shopping Centre, Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. I've come in through the e-hailing lounge entrance, which is in the new wing, and I'm just gonna try looking for this pop-up because I have no idea where it's located. So let's see if we can find an information counter and ask someone. Oh, is that it? I didn't expect to find it so soon, but here we are. So before entering, you need to scan a QR code and register online, then show your registration to the staff. Let's start browsing. We've got some homewares. This pop-up, while predominantly BTS, also stocks 17 In the Soop merch as well. This denim jacket is really nice. There's also a small selection of TINYTAN merch. It's a nice space, but stock is limited compared to the Singapore pop-up. I spoke to one of the staff who said they replenish stock frequently, so hopefully you'll see more variety when you visit. The pop-up runs till 28th August 2022 and opens from 10 AM to 10 PM daily. I think coming through that e-lounge entrance saved me a lot of time walking around the shopping mall looking for the pop-up. So I've got a few goodies in the bags, which by the way you have to pay for the paper bags. But yeah, I'm happy and ready to go. Not too far from the pop-up is this cute TINYTAN photo op, and while I was here I saw an elderly couple taking a photo with it, kids, just anyone, fans as well, and I think it's a really nice touch to have this display out here tying in with the pop-up that you can see just at the background. I am back home for the unboxing of what I got from the pop-up, starting with Soupy. You would have noticed that there wasn't the Soupy plushie available, so I got this mini version which I love so much because it's so cute. It's made out of this soft furry fabric and a nice size that fits in the palm of your hands. And I guess it's meant to be a keychain, but I'm using it more for decor than to hang off a bag. I find that this plastic clip might not be as secure, so this Soupy will mostly be staying in. Then I got this other Soupy keychain that I've already used while out and about. I love how it looks like a little rug, and because it's flat, it'll be easier to maintain from damage when it's hanging off my bag. It's got this nice tab with the In the Soop script, and the clip I find is a lot more hardy than the other plastic one. Also, the reinforced metal fastener here compared to the string on this Soupy is less of a worry. Next up, I got the pouch, and this one was a no-brainer because I love the graphic icons for BTS's In the Soop. For those who don't already know, the BTS graphics are expression of trees and leaves, while 17s are more flower themed, with Soupy as the overall mascot for In the Soop too. So this is just a simple small to medium sized zipper pouch. It looks like screen printed linen material and a great size for essentials, a couple of lipsticks, hair tie and compact makeup, to bring sanitary pads out with you or photo cards in top loaders when you're going out for trades. It's very soft and it isn't lined inside, so a very simple type pouch for general use. The next item I got is not from the BTS collection. I wish it was, but this is 17's. I have been looking to add another trivet and oven mitt to our kitchen, so when I saw this, the color and design stood out to me, and I think it's quite subtle, being just green and white. I like that Christmas tree sort of look to it, and that's also very simple, I guess. If you don't really know, you'd think this was part of the BTS line of merch. It doesn't have that 17 kaleidoscope floral design on it. The only thing that might give it away is the floral print on the oven mitt, but I quite like it, to be honest. It doesn't have any 17 branding on the label. So yeah, a cute oven mitt with a little loop here. And there we go. Now on to apparel. I got two items. First is the graphic short sleeve t-shirt in ivory. Yoongi wore this when he was showing Jimin how to shoot hoops. He also wore the black version another day, and Jimin wore it in purple and blue. And this is how it looks on me. I'm wearing a size S, and the fit is more of a boxy cut, which is different from the other official merch t-shirts. It's got a cute In the Soop logo at the bottom back in pink, and it's cropped slightly shorter on the front hem. The sleeves can be folded up if you wanted a more polished look, and I'll leave links in my description of some other official merch t-shirts I've tried in the past if you'd like to compare. Wear it tucked in with a pair of jeans and it's perfect. Detailing around the neck and side slit in pink, which is a nice touch. And I love that this is actually ivory and not stark white. It kind of softens the look a little. The last item I picked out is probably my most used so far, and it's the hoodie made popular by Jin, who wore the purple version that sold out online almost immediately. I got the black because I would get more wear out of this, and I love the contrast on the back here. See how the graphics really pop against the black? I've worn this many times now. It's perfect on flights and just lounging at home, especially now that it's winter in Australia. This is my go-to comfort hoodie that also looks great when you step out of the house. So I have on here size S again. This is the front view, the side, and the back. The length covers the t-shirt, so it's great worn with leggings as well. I love when the cuff is fitted like this. Some hoodies have cuffs that are a bit loose on me, but this one fits a lot better. Another nice detail is on the zipper pull. Let's try to focus. There we go. This hoodie is also JK proof. You know how he loves big ones that can completely cover your head? I love them too, and here I'm wearing my hair up with a clip and it still fits comfortably. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the pop-up in Malaysia and some of the items I got. If you did, appreciate if you could hit the like button and subscribe for more of my content. Thanks for watching and take care everyone. Annyeong!